Welcome to Egypt, where ancient history meets modern innovation. Strategically positioned at the crossroads of Africa and the Middle East, Egypt is experiencing a dynamic economic transformation marked by significant advancements in infrastructure, construction, and energy sectors. At the heart of this progress is Mantrac Egypt, providing essential machinery and power solutions that drive the nation's development. Established in 1977 under Mansour Group, Mantrac Egypt became the country's authorized Caterpillar dealer. Over the decades, we have achieved significant milestones. In 1997, expanded our dealership to East and West Africa, enhancing our regional presence. 2000, merged with Unitrac to form Mantrac Group, facilitating further growth in new territories. 2019, honored with Caterpillar Customer Excellence Award for the Africa and Middle East region in recognition of our dedication to improving customer experiences. Today, with 13 branches strategically located nationwide, we ensure that our customers receive unparalleled services and support all over Egypt. From roads to bridges, from urban expansion to mining, Mantrac Egypt's construction division delivers the machines that build the nation. Our partnership with major industrial and mining projects, including Sukari Gold Mine, exemplifies our commitment. Here, Mantrac's Caterpillar fleet operates in the harshest conditions, ensuring uninterrupted productivity with unmatched durability and performance. Reliable power is the backbone of modern industry, and Mantrac's Power Systems division ensures businesses never stop running. We provide a comprehensive range of Caterpillar generator sets and advanced energy solutions that support sectors from healthcare to manufacturing. Established in 2008, the Customized Solution Department specializes in designing and delivering tailor-made power solutions for Egypt's most demanding industries. Our expertise extends beyond conventional power systems. We engineer and fabricate customer enclosures, electrical panels, fuel tanks, platforms, and piping systems, ensuring seamless integration and long-term reliability. With a dedicated team of 120+ engineers and specialists, the Customized Solution Department, CSD, guarantees precision, durability, and efficiency in every project, setting industry benchmarks in customized energy solutions. CSD has successfully executed over 500 projects, including Zohr Gas Field Project and Upper Egypt's MPP Power Generation Project, demonstrating our ability to solve complex energy challenges. Our commitment doesn't end with the sale. It begins there. We support industries with unparalleled after-sales ecosystem, ensuring machines perform efficiently for decades. At Mantrac Egypt, service and product support go hand in hand to keep industries moving. Our state-of-the-art workshops, including the Component Rebuild Center, CRC, salvage and welding, and the main workshop, ensure that heavy machinery operates at peak efficiency through expert repairs, rebuilds, and maintenance solutions. but service is only as strong as the support behind it. This is where our product support division comes in. With 250,000 plus genuine Caterpillar parts in stock, on-site maintenance teams, and 24/7 emergency response, we ensure uninterrupted operations across Egypt's key industries: construction, mining, oil and gas, manufacturing, transportation, and power generation. We provide a proactive, end-to-end support system, ensuring that every piece of equipment we deliver is backed by industry-leading service, expertise, and reliability. This is why Mantrac is more than just a distributor. We are partners in progress, driving Egypt's industries forward. We do not just supply equipment, we develop the professionals who operate and maintain them. For over 40 years, Mantrac Egypt has been more than a supplier. It has been a partner in progress. From power solutions that illuminate industries to machinery that builds the nation, we stand committed to delivering innovation, reliability, and unmatched customer support.